Hello. I thought I'd do another video on living your best life because there are so many things that get in our way. There's always plenty to tap on around that. And as I was driving today and my car decided to tell me the engine was overheating, I realised that probably one of the things I run is that when everything is going well, something will go wrong. It's usually the car. And I thought, what an unhelpful belief that is, because it ensures that we don't allow everything to be okay. We don't allow our best life to be real, to be what we're living. Or if we are allowing it, we've also got that part that's thinking what's going to go wrong next. So I thought that would be a really good, useful thing to tap on. And if you're interested in doing a workshop with me on living your best life, I realised I said it was the 9th of May 2025 and it's actually the 9th of June 2025. So if you were confused about that, which some people were, thank you for telling me. It's actually on Monday. So let's do a bit of tapping. As always, I tap mostly on the side of the hand. You can hold your hand like this, you can hold it like this, you can rest it on your stomach, on your knees, you can hold it upright. Whatever works for you, it works. You can swap hands too. Sometimes I'll go on to other points to finish off with, but that's where I do most of my tapping. And as always, if you're tapping with me, you take full responsibility for your own well-being. So even though at some point I may have created the belief that I can't have everything, and I wonder who said that to me first. And I love and accept myself and the parts of me that believed that, even though I really want to live my best life. I really want to live fully in the present. And there may be part of me afraid of the consequences if I do. And I'd like all parts of me to understand. I'm not my little self anymore. I have more resources than I've ever had before. And if something I don't like comes up, I have the tools to deal with it. I no longer need to protect myself from disappointment. I no longer need to pull in disasters to make up for the things that are working. Those are just old survival strategies that probably weren't mine in the first place. And I love and accept the parts of me who created them. And I'm letting them know they've done a great job. And that job is complete now. And it's finally safe for me to live my best life, knowing how powerful I am and that I can deal with whatever comes my way. I don't have to create disasters. I don't have to fear disasters. I can live here and now. Enjoying each moment. It's what I came to learn to do. And I'm getting better at it. And I love and accept all parts of me. Allowing myself now to let go of those old survival strategies. Allowing myself to be open to new possibilities. Reminding myself what a great manifester I am. And if I don't like what's happening, I can manifest something else instead. And I love and accept all parts of me. So just another layer that's useful to let go of. If you want more layers to clear, then there's my book, Tapping into Ancestral Healing, which actually covers a lot of stuff that gets in our way. Ancestral stuff, past life stuff, this life stuff. And then it helps us to focus on what do we actually want to create instead. Because we are great manifestors. It's just that often we manifest what we don't want because that's what we're focusing on. And it's time to focus on what we do want instead. So enjoy living your best life. If you're watching this before the 9th of June, 2025, then you'd be very welcome on the workshop. The details will be in the blurb. So take care. Bye.